Hello, my name is Elizabeth. Today, let's do the Make an Electromagnet experiment from Lesson 12 of the Energy Science Unit from The Good and the Beautiful. For this experiment, we will need copper wire, a D battery, safety pins, electrical tape, and a galvanized nail. Okay, we'll get started by wrapping our copper wire around our nail 30 times, or as many times as possible. Make sure to leave a tail of wire on each end. Then we'll tape the ends of the wire to the terminals of our D battery. Our nail should now be magnetized. Let's check by trying to pick up some of these safety pins. Now let's see what happens when we wrap the wire only 5 times around the nail. Is our magnetic field stronger or weaker? Scientists discovered that by wrapping a wire in a coil, the electromagnetic field would be made much stronger because there was more wire length to contain the electricity over a short space.